Good morning, pre-K class. How are you? Okay, we are going to practice the beginning sound of the letter Y. Y. The letter Y. Come check it out. Okay, repeat with me, everyone. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Do you have a yo-yo? Do you know how to play with a yo-yo? Okay, let's repeat one more time. Yo-yo. Very good. Do you know what is this? Correct, it's a neck. However, the yellow part is called yolk. Let's repeat, yolk. One more time, yolk. It's yummy, right? Next one is a beautiful color. Do you know what color? Excellent, yellow. Let's repeat, yellow. Do you see the yellow things? Let's repeat one more time, yellow. Okay, and this is a yummy food. Do you know what it is? Yogurt. Let's repeat, yogurt. One more time, yogurt. Do you know what flavor is this yogurt? Yes, strawberry.